Hey there, website owners! Are you tired of your website lagging behind in search rankings, struggling with slow loading times and security issues? Well, I've got just the solution for you. Introducing SEO Master Pro, your ultimate tool to transform your website into a top-performing digital powerhouse. In just the next 2 minutes, let me show you how this incredible tool can revolutionize your SEO strategy. First up, detailed SEO reports. With SEO Master Pro, you can uncover and fix technical issues with in-depth analysis. No more guesswork. You get actionable insights right at your fingertips. Next, speed optimization. Enhance your site's loading times and provide a seamless user experience. Faster websites mean happier visitors and better rankings. And let's not forget security enhancements. Protect your website with robust security measures. Safeguard your data and keep those cyber threats at bay. But wait, there's more. SEO Master Pro comes packed with powerful web tools. From QR generators to HTML, CSS minifiers and meta tags checkers, you've got everything you need to boost your site's performance. Now here's the kicker: for a limited time, you can get an incredible 90% off on SEO Master Pro. Yes, you heard that right. This exclusive offer gives you full access to all features, including automated project management and an easy-to-use interface. Let's hear from some happy users. John D., a digital marketer, says, SEO Master Pro revolutionized our SEO campaigns. The insights and ease of use are unmatched. Sarah P., a small business owner, shares, the project management feature keeps everything organized. Our website's performance has noticeably improved. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss this chance to elevate your digital presence. Visit SEO Master Pro now to claim your 90% discount and start transforming your website today. Optimize, secure, and succeed with SEO Master Pro. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.